Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you start your own profitable business selling things on Amazon here in Australia. We are the fastest growing community of professional Amazon sellers here in Australia, with over 2,000 larrikins and iconoclasts and fun-loving folks just like you who love having a beer, love having a glass of wine, love having a good yarn, also while making great money selling things on Amazon. With over $50 million in sales and growing. If you want to find out more about what we do, simply go to the link below or go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Voice search is set to triple in the next 5 years. It's going to take over the way that people shop and the way people buy things. But how do you take advantage of voice search, and how do you position your business to take advantage of the growing trend towards the Internet of Things? In this video, I'm going to show you how. So we do this one. Voice search. Have you seen what's going on with voice search? I mean, it's pretty insane at the minute. The number of searches that are happening on internet connected microphones and speakers. It's pretty insane, especially in technologically advanced countries. It's really, really insane. Add to that, most new products now are interconnected through the Internet of Things, and we've got the 5G network, 6G in some places, but certainly the 5G network becoming ubiquitous. It's only a matter of time before all that shit is interconnected, and you are going to be able to, and you will find it very, very easy and very normal to order things just by talking to your artificial intelligent digital assistant, aka in our situation, your Amazon Echo Dot, or your Amazon Echo, for instance, or your Amazon speaker. This is just going more and more and more. So one thing that we've been doing is really looking to optimize our products for, especially in America. Like, it's not happening so much yet in Australia, but certainly it will happen. But certainly in America, certainly in the UK, it's just happening now. Like, you just want to be on top of it. Anyway, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to talk about that, talk about what's going on. Look at the stuff what Amazon sells, and you can see now more and more of this is interconnected. Like, it's pretty insane what's connected: lights, locks, security, plugs, pet stuff to feed your pets, Wi-Fi networks, cleaning of your home, cooking in your home, heating, motion detectors. Like, it's pretty out there. It's pretty out there. It's only a matter of time before the Jetsons meets us, okay? I reckon now is the time to get into that. So a couple of things I've learned the hard way about search, and that is that when a customer in their own home uses voice search, right now at least, I don't know if this will be a long-term thing, but right now they tend to utilize the brand when they ask for something. So they'll ask for, you know, I want my Aussie Botanics vitamin C serum, or whatever it may be, okay? So they ask for the brand in that. So it's important to maintain brand registry, which kind of goes to something we're going to talk about in a little bit. But brand registry is becoming more and more important because of that, because that's how Amazon is establishing brand ownership. And if people are searching via voice with brands, it's just another very good reason to get brand registered. I mentioned Kate's son already. Kate does that. That's what she does, trademarks. I'm going to talk about trademarks a little bit later on. So rather than just saying, somebody's just going to say, they might type into Amazon tea tree shampoo. Well, instead, they're going to type in, they want their Aussie Botanics tea tree shampoo, for instance, okay? The other thing is, voice search tends to be much, much longer, which means longer tail search terms will work for it. Right now, there is no, I'll talk about how it's searched, but right now there is no advertising for voice search. So that's not how your product gets discovered. So in normal search, your product gets discovered through ads. It ain't like that. Like here in voice, it's just your two options. I'll talk about in a second. There isn't the advertising. So you've got to be there. The easy way of getting there is to think about how people would order your product if they were saying it out loud, and integrate that into the back-end search terms that you're using. Okay, that's what we're doing. Okay, so how do people get sent shit? Well, when you use voice search, it's either, if I am going to order tea tree shampoo and I've already previously had some tea tree shampoo from Aussie Botanics, for instance, then I will simply get sent the same thing I previously ordered, which is a massive incentive for you to get in to the customer's hands. More and more, lifetime value is making a shift on Amazon. So it was the case that lifetime value, whilst important on Amazon, didn't have the same moat that typically would happen within a brand, whereby people just order the brand over and over again. That wasn't happening on Amazon, but with voice search, it's happening. So it's important to get into the customer's hands, because once you do, and they order again, Amazon will just send them the same thing over and over and over again. Meaning your lifetime value, the amount of money a customer gives you over the life cycle of their particular interaction with you, increases because of that, because Amazon's just making the assumption they want to order that again. Then the other way they order is through the Amazon's Choice badge. I had a mental blank then. Amazon's Choice badge. So Amazon's Choice, that just means if somebody orders tea tree oil shampoo using a voice activated search, and they have never ever ordered that product before, then Amazon will basically say to them, the Amazon's choice for that is Aussie Botanics tea tree shampoo. Would you like that? That's how that interaction goes. If you don't have an Echo Dot speaker, you should absolutely get one, just so that you start to understand how it works. Yeah, so Amazon's Choice badge is important. I've already covered how to get the Amazon's Choice badge, heaps and heaps and heaps. Go check some old videos for that. Nothing's really changed as far as that goes, but this is changing. It's absolutely changing. The tide is moving towards voice activated search. That's only going to get more and more and more so. So by placing yourself in it now, you can, I mean, I've been talking about this for friggin' ages, but you know, it is what it is. You can get a huge advantage by thinking this through and positioning yourself now, especially in Australia where it hasn't really taken off yet, but will take off. You can get a massive advantage. You can get a massive advantage. If you liked that video, that was actually taken from one of my regular Monday night question and answer sessions, where we have a heap of fun with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. And as you've seen, I'm live on a call answering their questions for them live and direct. If you'd like to find out more about getting some help building your Amazon business too, come and check us out with the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs.com.au, and you can join the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs this side of the Billabong, and you'll have a heap of fun too. Until then, bye.